Good morning, students. Welcome to English Class 10. Today we start with Unit 2 Prose. Lesson The Night the Ghost Got In, written by James Grover Turber. Let's talk about author. James Grover Turber was born on 8th December 1894 at Columbus. He is an American cartoonist, author, humorist, journalist, and playwright. He is best known for his cartoons and short stories, published mainly in New Yorker magazine and collected in his numerous books. He is one of the most popular humorists of his time. Some of his short stories are The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, The Unicorn of the Garden, The Night the Bed Fell, The Princess and the Tin Box, The Moth and the Star, and many more. James Turber's autobiography, Are My Life and Hard Times, was published in 1933. It is regarded as his greatest work. The extract of his lessons are from his biography, and he died on 2nd November 1961. Now let's move on to the lesson, The Night the Ghost Got In. Main characters are author James Grover Turber, author's brother Herman, his mother, grandfather, neighbor, Mr. and Mrs. Bodwell, and the police. The Night the Ghost Got In is a short story by James Turber. It is a fictionalized account of life in the Turber household. It starts with the author's coming out of the bathroom. While drying himself, at that time, he hears footsteps down near the dining table. Mother was asleep in a room upstairs. His brother, Herman, was in another room and his grandfather was in the attic. He first thought was that his father and his brother Roy, who had gone to Indianapolis, must have returned home, but they didn't come. Then he suspected that it might be a burglar. Burglar means thieves, but nobody was there. It did not enter his mind until later that it was a ghost. He went into Herman's room and asked to accompany his brother. They went to the back staircase to listen to the footsteps. They saw nothing coming and only heard the steps again. They shut the doors in fear. All the commotion awoke their mother and she demanded to know what was happening. She thought there was a burglar downstairs. A mother wanted to call a police, but the phone was downstairs. So she throws her shoes at the neighbors, Mr. and Mrs. Bodwell window, to request them to call the police. The police arrived with some reporters. The police broke open the door and made a forcefully entry. They searched downstairs and they told the author's mother that there was no sign of anything. At that moment, they heard the author's grandfather in the attic. They rushed upstairs to the attic. The narrator's grandfather was an old man who believes that he is still in American Civil War, and as soon as the police enter the attic, he starts shooting at them. After the police manage to save themselves and get out of the attic, one of the reporters asks James about the matter. James tells him about the ghost. Hearing all this, all the policemen leave their house immediately. The family returns to their respective room. The next morning, the grandfather comes down to the breakfast. The grandfather asked him why the policeman had come the previous day night. He told them that he had to look for water in the dining room the previous night, as nobody bothered to leave a bottle of water beside his bed. In the end of the lesson, we come to know that it was only a grandfather who comes in search of water as nobody bothered to keep water bottle in his bedroom. So there was no burglar or a ghost. It's just only imagination. Okay children, I believe you all understood the lesson. Next we soon meet with very interesting topic. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you children.